More news coming in. Karnataka Chief Minister chairs an SIT meeting on Prajwal Revanna, orders immediate arrest of Prajwal Revanna. Lookout notice has been issued, remember, against Prajwal. CBI's blue corner notice likely against Prajwal Revanna. Prajwal Revanna, the man accused of raping hundreds of women and videographing them, who's now absconding. The grandson of former Prime Minister Deve Gowda is now absconding. Anaga is getting us more details on that. The CBI's blue corner notice, a possibility against Prajwal Revanna, plus an SIT that has been formed to look into this entire case.
Well, that's right, Neha. In fact, the Chief Minister chaired a meeting with the SIT officers to get appraised about the investigation process so far. So far, what have they concluded? What more do they need? What kind of assistance do they need from the state government? So all these issues were discussed today at the Chief Minister's table this afternoon. And as we speak, the court session is going on. In fact, the H.D. Revanna's lawyer has asked in the court, stating that give my client an anticipatory bail, give us some kind of protection, and if you do so, H.D. Revanna will appear in front of the SIT by 5:30 sharp, and I promise you that is the kind of argument that H.D. Revanna's lawyer has placed in the court. He's only saying one thing, Sneha: give H.D. Revanna some sort of limited protection, give us interim bail that assures that we receive some sort of protection against getting arrested, and H.D. Revanna will present himself to the SIT office where I'm reporting from currently in Bengaluru, is the argument that was put forth by his lawyer. So we need to wait and watch if indeed interim anticipatory bail will be granted to H.D. Revanna, and if that's granted, he will present himself here in front of the SIT office for further investigation.
Anaga, thanking you for the moment, for getting us up to speed with those details as far as the very latest in the Prajwal Revanna case is concerned. Trouble continues to brew for Prajwal Revanna and his father, H.D. Revanna. SIT has issued a lookout notice for the father-son duo. The fresh notice is going to bar Revanna from fleeing the country. SIT consists of 8 people, including 1 SP-level officer and 2 inspectors. SIT team conducted spot inspection at Revanna's home. The team has also requested the CBI to issue a blue corner notice by the Interpol against Revanna. The police has also seized mobile phone of a close aide of H.D. Revanna. The phone has been sent to forensic team. The police is also trying to trace the whereabouts of a woman who was one of the victims in Prajwal Revanna's alleged sexual harassment case. Meanwhile, BJP's Shiva Ramegowda has levelled serious allegations against Revanna, alleging that Revanna is a habitual offender and that he was caught here red-handed during the same act 30 years ago in England as well. Rahul Gandhi has urged the Chief Minister of Karnataka, Siddaramaiah, to bring the perpetrators to justice.
ಅವ್ರು ಬರಲೇಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಇವತ್ತಲ್ಲ ನಾಳೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ನಾಡಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ, ಅವ್ರು ಬರಲೇಬೇಕು. ಬಂದಾಗ ಅವರಿಗೇನು ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಯಾರು ರಾಜಕೀಯ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಜನ ಗಮನಿಸೋದಿಲ್ವಾ, ಮತದಾರರು ಗಮನಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಆದಮೇಲೆ 7ನೇ ತಾರೀಕು ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಕೂಡ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ನೋಡೋಣ.
Bharatiya Janata Party's stand is pretty clear about the Prajwal Revanna's case. Not only Bharatiya Janata Party, nobody can support such incidents. It's very unfortunate. Law will take its own course.